Ring the alarm, I'm finna introduce one of the sickest dudes to get within inches of a booth. This is my debut and entrance, give me your attention. But did I forget to mention, no, the spitter is the truth. Recognition is due, cause I've been getting dues since I was in school, ripping rappers, getting in the feuds. Since school ended, I've been winning, and that's why I got photographers around me taking pictures of the dude.
Cause I'm a beast. You funny rappers nothing but feast. Playing in the game but you're under my cleats. Up in my street for me, come feet. You can't do this cause it's only one me. You never seen light skin looking so clean. Hey, you never seen a young swag so mean. Time's getting heavy so it's back to the petty. Deadly, so I pin the grass
every
like
Teddy.
Teddy.
That I breathe, I mean every word that I speak. For every single person on this earth lurking the streets. Every fatherless child, those bleak, hurting and weak. I hope encouragement occurs from every verse that I leak. I've lived in pain, but I know it's people worse than me. So I pray for them and pray their prayers get reversed to me. Personally, I face adversity and curse defeat. When them curtains meet, I'm trying to be the first to leave my life.
I told my mom I would get a house for us to live in, and she could stay, she don't have to just visit. Never just talk about it, I live it. Don't just get y'all respect, I give it. Vivid is my vision, me gripping on a million. Crib with the 50-foot ceiling, feel 'em. Realer than a heart attack while you in the car. I can't stop now, I done made it this far.
Let me give a quick description of how I be ripping rappers. I'm vicious, equipped with magnificent verbalistic linguistics. I'm not the one to trick with. I'm more explosive than mixing dynamite sticks with nitroglycerin liquid. My figure of speech unleash venomous beasts. I'm a ridiculous creep with vigorous beats. Your clique could be admitting defeat. You get your face punctured like we were sparring, but I was kicking with cleats.
Thank you.